Hi, for those of you who are using Teams to do your meetings, whether that is for meetings within your company or with outside people, or if you're using Teams to teach, this is a handy app to add. Let me show you. Here's my meeting. I'm in my meeting, and you see the three little dots for more actions just up there. Click on it and add an app. The app that I'm going to add is called Q&A. And as I type it in, you can see Q&A comes up. Questions and answers for structured meetings. So you click on that and this is what it does. So I'm going to add this new app. I'm going to save it. And that now gives me a Q&A tab and I can ask a question over here. So I can ask my question, and as I run my meeting later, my attendees will be able to answer my question, and we can have a whole tab going down the side like a chat panel with all the questions and the answers. You could use this for an icebreaker, or you can use it for questions you genuinely need the answer to. I hope you found that useful.